Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei P Smart Pro, and today I'll show you how to reset settings. So to get started, you want to open up your settings app and then go all the way down to System and Reset. And from here you should find Reset All Settings at the top. Tap on that. It will give you a message that basically performing this will reset all network settings, fingerprint, and screen lock passwords. So if you have any kind of protection on this device, it will be completely removed. So let's just tap on Reset All Settings, and once more, then we'll begin the process. Let's just tap on Close. Okay, there we go. I didn't even need to press anything, and as you can see, all settings have been reset. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.